Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm just out of the Titanic and Bodies Exhibitions in the Luxor Hotel. Hadn't planned on doing them, but I thought, why not? I thought I could film it, it'd be good for the channel. However, when I went to do it, the said photography wasn't allowed, like video recording wasn't allowed. So that was a bit of a bummer. But I'd already paid the ticket, so, well, my fault, I should have asked, but I thought it'd be interesting to see anyway, so I went and seen it. The Bodies exhibition, I'm just going to touch on that very, very quickly. With my experience working in healthcare, I've dealt with bodies before, people have died, and I didn't sit well with me. I didn't realise they used actual bodies. I went in and I just walked right through it. It's not for me, it really isn't. So I can't really review it because I just thought it was gross. But if that's your thing, if that floats your boat, you can knock yourself out. A Titanic exhibition, again, it's a tragedy, people have died. But it was interesting seeing all the artefacts, so I don't know, neither of them really sat comfortable with me, but I thought I'll do it anyway just for the channel. Well, the couple of things that the Titanic thing had that I really liked was there's a recreation of the deck of the Titanic, and you look out and you see like the stars. That was quite a cool thing to see. Then there's a grand staircase. I got my photo took with it, but it was $20 for a photo. I know it's kind of standard, but I thought about getting it, but I thought, I'm not too bored. So normally I got a fridge magnet, but I didn't like the fridge magnets they had. So I thought I'll go for a hat. So that's what I went for. I can't quite see it on my screen, but it says something like White Star Line RMS. Is RMS it? The Titanic crew, whatever it is. It was an interesting thing to see, and seeing actual things from the Titanic. But was it worth it? Well, I just kind of went right through it quickly. I couldn't film it, so there wasn't really much point. But I much prefer the Punk Rock Museum. It's more my style. What they have got, I thought was quite good. They had a sort of recreation of the iceberg, and it's actual. It's this frozen kind of bit of ice you can touch on that. I don't know if that gives you an idea how cold it was. I don't know. It wasn't my cup of tea. But if you're interested in the history of Titanic, you can see for yourself. I'm going to do a future video. We go to Belfast and I'll see the Titanic exhibition there. I think that'll be maybe a bit better because it's about a large part. It's about the building of the Titanic, and that kind of interests me. So, so that's my thoughts on it. So, if you're into Titanic, it's worth seeing. The Bodies exhibition, I just wasn't. I wasn't into it at all. I thought it was disgusting. There was also a fetal bit. None of dead babies. No. My time working in a hospital, I've never worked in a children's ward, doesn't appeal to me. So going to see fetuses and that, no. It does give you the option to skip that room, and I took that option. I didn't go in. There's lots of kids walking about looking at it and stuff, and it was a bit too icky for me anyway. So if you've enjoyed this video and you want to see my other videos, please like, subscribe and share, and leave some comments. Thank you very much, and take care. Bye bye.